Write you a letter tomorrow. Tonight I can hold a pen. Someone's got a stand that I can borrow. I promise not to blow the dress again. Lights that flash in the evening through a crack in the drape. Jesus rides beside me. He never buys any smokes. Hurry up, ain't you had enough of this stuff? Ashtray floors, dirty clothes and filthy jokes.